Hey, what's good? It's your girl JBomb, and today we are going to be cooking fettuccine Alfredo with spinach and bacon. So here I'm cooking up my bacon, making sure it's like toasty, and I'm gonna set it aside for later use. Here I have my chicken, and I'm just gonna be using the same greens that I used for the bacon. Here I have my pasta, and I'm using the penne pasta because I like how the Alfredo sauce goes into the tubes, and it's just really good. Okay, so here I'm already done cooking up the chicken. I like it to be crispy and just very well cooked. And I'm just going to set it aside, but I'm going to use the same pan to cook up my vegetables. So now I'm going to higher up the heat because I'm going to be cooking up 1 head of spinach and 1 big tomato. I just cut it up in pieces and stir fry. I know everybody has their own way of cooking, but this is how I do it. So I just mix. I like to cook the spinach until it's like just soggy and just very well cooked. So I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon of salt and garlic salt into the mixture of the pasta and the vegetables. Then I'm going to be adding some 8-ounce whipping cream, half a cup of Parmesan cheese. Basically, it's a cup of whipping cream and half a cup of Parmesan cheese. I just want to make sure I get everything in there, so I'm just gonna like tap it and get the rest out. So I'm just gonna mix everything together just so all the flavors of the cheese, salt, garlic salt, and the whipping cream can come together with flavoring the tomato. And I'm just gonna add just a quarter cup of milk just to make it a little bit creamy. So I'm just gonna mix everything together, make sure everything cooks well. And I'm gonna leave it for about 5 minutes. I'm doing it like medium heat. So here I have my bacon, and I'm just gonna crush up all the bacon that I have in the aluminum foil. Since it's already crispy, it's already easily get into pieces. Okay, so here I have everything all cooked up. Just make sure all the flavors are combined very well, because now we're gonna add in the bacon. And the chicken. And I'm using chicken breast. I just cut it up into small pieces. Okay, and then we're just gonna mix everything together to have all the flavors. And I like to put the chicken and the bacon at the end, because by then like the cream has already like cooked up really well, so it's not gonna make everything as soggy. Okay, so we're just gonna leave everything cooking for another 5 minutes. And it's all done. Check it out. Very good, very creamy. It's very delicious. I just want some right now. The tomatoes have great flavor. I'm not a tomato person, but I can handle this. So all the flavors go really well together, and it's just really good. I hope you guys enjoy it, and thank you for watching my channel. Here is the end result with some toast on the side. Have a great one.